What's up people, this is Happy here. So today I'm gonna install the indicators, aftermarket indicators on my MT-09. Actually I already have installed yesterday, so I'm gonna do the video today. So I'm gonna explain you guys a couple of things. If you're gonna install aftermarket indicators with the LED bulb in it, you have to also buy aftermarket relay, and it's pretty easy to install, plug off, plug in, right? And also when you are going to order online these stuff, what you're gonna do, you ask them, is there 4 indicator or 2? I ordered first time, there was a 4 indicator on the photo, but they said in the bottom, they said it's 1 set. 1 set means it's 2, the 1 set means it's 4, because one bike take 4 indicators. So I ordered that, and when the indicators arrived in my place, there was only 2 indicators in the bag. I messaged them back. I said, look, you said there was 1 set and in the photo they shows 4 indicators. He said, yes, it's written 1 set, it's mean 2 indicators. So I would order another 2 indicators from somewhere else. So there you go. So if you guys gonna order any product from any website or wherever you want, ask them how many they are, 2, 1, 4, 6 or 10. Ask them, feel free. If they're not gonna reply you, don't buy from them, right? Look here, these these ones, they looks really like a pumpkin, not really good looking. I have purchased these ones, like a little bit dark, and they looks good. And we're gonna try this one on the MT-09. So installation pretty easy. I'm gonna try now. There is the power line going through here, and it goes inside just from there, right? And it comes right over here. These are the 2 lines coming from this area, you can see, just from there, right? And this one here in this color, this is for left indicator for this one, and the black one for right one, right? And pretty easy, pretty simple, right? So let's start it. I'm not removing this one because I went to market to find another one like these ones, like we can remove like this. We have to lift this one and then we can remove just like that. There you go. So there is also a small slot. It came out just like this. If you want, you can change these pins, but I couldn't find the pins anyway. So what I gonna do, I just gonna solder here. So we're gonna slide this back in, and we can just connect these ones together just like. Now I'm gonna show you how you can remove the MT-09 indicators. So there is 2 lips here. You can twist this one just like that, and the lift just like that, and there you go. Now you can just pop the indicator out just like that. You got it? And now from the top, I just gonna cut this line just from here somewhere. Let's remove this tape, this yucky tape, right? And I'm gonna cut the line from here. Let's see what we can do. There you go. And now with the plier, I just gonna chop the line from here. There you go, just like that. And now I'm gonna slide this line back here. So this indicator coming into this side, just like that. So let's drive the wire in. There you go folks, it's not going anywhere. Now it's time for another one. because they was pretty long with the indicators. What I gonna do? Yes, I gonna. So that's how I'm gonna stack, and I'm gonna tape around. I just gonna put the electricity tape on it, so it will be alright with that. So there you go. It looks nice and clean. Pretty good. Okay. So there you go, folks. So that's how you can install the indicators. So make sure when you're gonna install the indicators or any wiring on your motorbike or car, do use these stuff. Do weld the wires together, right? Do not just twist, because if you just gonna twist, it will start spark. So it's more trouble, right? Do use the weld. So the weld the wire, so it will not any like a wiring problem in your vehicle or your bike, right? So stay tuned, enjoy. I'm gonna change the small front indicators. To do that, I have to remove this cover, this cover. So let's start it. They will came outside just like this. So there you go. Keep it in the safe, eh? Don't lose them. Do not scratch on the tank. Be careful when you do this stuff. So keep this screw in the safe place. And now just pull this one out a little bit gently. Just like that. There is a small clip which is for indicator, and we're gonna take this one out just like this. Right? What happened? There you go. Right, and now we're gonna remove the indicators. What you are doing, George? To remove that, we have to remove this one. Watch out. So don't straight take this out. Flip like this. Can you move this way?
No.
Please. Please. That are working, yo. See? That are working. Okay? Don't touch, okay? So now we're gonna remove this screw. There's another one. We're gonna remove these two screws, okay? Oh no.
What happened? What happened?
Lock. You can lift that. Just like that. There you go. So now the indicator is ready to come out. Just like this. There you go, folks. The indicator is out here. So there you go, folks. Same harness what I did, I have joined with this one, with this indicator. So I'm gonna plug that in. Hang on. So I'm gonna turn on the bike. Okay. So it's working now. So it's time to plug back on, and it will work. Okay. Just push one side first and then push another one. just slide that in. So there you go. So that's how it looks. In the back, what we're gonna do, we are just gonna slide this lock back on. Yes, there you go. I can just snug this one here, back on. There you go. Turn the key on. Now it's time to put these plugs back on.